What is up guys, it is Mr. Fantastic here, and oh boy, I've got tons of leaks regarding the iPhone 13 today, and it is actually pretty awesome. We're seeing a lot of much needed changes, so make sure you watch till the end, you don't want to miss out. I'll link all the sources where I got this info from in the description down below, you can check them out. First off, this year's iPhone is going to be named as iPhone 12s instead of iPhone 13 according to John Prosser, which is quite interesting, and there will still be 4 models of it, and as of the build quality, we're going to have the same chassis as the iPhone 12s, so same button placement, straight edges and flat sides, but we will have a refined soft touch matte finish on the back, which is going to be grippier and a bit more pleasing to touch. There will be titanium frames with a matte finish, which is quite sick, so it's a decent upgrade over the stainless steel frames. And there is a new camera module which we'll dive into in a second. And like we've heard before, there is a big chance of this year's iPhones being portless, so no charging port, only wireless charging will be supported. And the MagSafe's magnets are also going to be much stronger, so we won't have those wallets falling off and stuff, which is pretty good. But do you know what else is good? Subscribing to my YouTube channel. I bring regular videos just like this, so make sure you subscribe. As of the display, it is getting an upgrade too, so we're going to have 120Hz variable refresh rate on it, so it will be quite smooth and very efficient. The notch will be slightly reduced, but instead of a short notch, it will have the same width but smaller length, and I think it's a smart move because I'm not a big fan of short notches personally. And we're finally getting always on display on it, similar to the Apple Watch, so it will show the time and battery life all the time. And we're also getting in-display Touch ID, and it will be optical, which is not as secure as ultrasonic, but it is definitely faster. As of the specs, we will have a 15 Bionic chip, which is going to be faster and more efficient. And there is also going to be a vapor chamber in the iPhone, so there will be less thermal issues. And we're also going to have up to a terabyte of storage on the Pro models, which is insane, but it's definitely gonna cost a fortune. As of the cameras, they're going to be improved too. We're gonna have a brand new camera module, so there will be a sapphire glass that will cover all of the cameras, which looks a bit better than the iPhone 12s in my opinion. We're also getting a periscope lens in it, so the zooming capabilities are also getting much needed improvement. And unlike the iPhone 12, both of the Pro models are going to have the same cameras, and this time around Apple is also giving us LiDAR sensors all across the iPhone 12s. And we're also getting astrophotography mode and video portrait mode, which is pretty sweet. It is going to launch at the end of September. I'm pretty excited about it. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel with those bell notifications. Let's hit 1000 subscribers as soon as we can, so that my channel gets monetized and I can bring you guys more unboxing and reviews. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.